Have you ever wondered how people make these tiny custom things like custom MagSafe props, name tags, and custom cable holders? That's 3D printing. And this is what makes it possible. This is the Flashforge AD5X, a fast 4-color 3D printer with auto leveling and resume feature. Inside the box, you get the printer, the intelligent filament switcher, 4 spool holders, PTFE guiding tubes, power cable, and some tools. The material used to print is called PLA, which can be installed on the printer very easily. The setup is pretty simple. Clip the 4 spool holders. These will help in holding all the filaments. This is the intelligent filament switcher. It's time to plug in the filament guiding tubes. This is the white PTFE bundle, so that each slot on the filament switcher feeds the printer. Now connect the IFS cable at the back, plug in the printer. Now some of the basic stuff. Select the language, and once connected to the Wi-Fi, the printer will start calibrating itself. It's time to insert the filament. Select spool 1, feed the filament until the printer grabs it, and then select the material PLA and the required color. In order to print anything, you'll need to download the Orca Flashforge software. Once you are into the software, you need to bring the 3D model of the thing that you want to print. You can press print plate, and then it'll ask you to choose the filament. You can choose the desired color that you want. And once you have finalized everything, you can press send. And then on the printer screen itself, you'll see how much time it will take for the task to get completed. On the printer screen, there will also be an option to cancel or pause the task in case you need to change the filament. So initially I just printed off this little guy over here. It's a small dinosaur just to get an idea of the printer. But after that, I printed off a leaf bowl, which is about the size of my hand. So let's check that out. Okay, check this out. Look at the veins. Looks so good. And the details. This took about 1 hour and 16 minutes to make. Not bad. And with multicolor options built in, it's perfect to bring life to some of your own personal projects. And even to start a small side business. Or maybe to print some of your favorite superhero logos. Or what you could do is to print some of your favorite car brands. If you want to check the product out, the bestbuy.ca link will be in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.